I am in class 11th A, and actually Nandini Foundation Rishikesh arranged a tour for students recently, and 3 students of this class attended that trip. So today all those 3 students will share their experience in front of their classmates. So first of all, I would like to call Aryan to share his experience in front of all of us. So Aryan, please.
Hello everyone, this is Aryan Jata from class 11th and today I am here to share my experience of India tour with you. This India tour of 6 days consists of Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. First day we reached Delhi and visited firstly Qutub Minar, which is a huge and magnificent monument of India. Then we visited at night the India Gate. In the next morning we visited Lotus Temple, which is a very huge and a beautiful structure of India. I am surprised to saw its silence and the existence of God, which we all can pray. In the third day we reached Jaipur and firstly we visited Albert Museum. In there I saw Mummy first time, which have a very strange experience for me. The secondly we visited Hawa Mahal, which is again a beautiful monument. Then thirdly we visited Jantar Mantar, in which we saw about very historical and ancient instruments. Our guide told us that how it works, for what purpose the king made them. In the fifth day, we visited to Agra, and in there we visited Buland Darwaja, which consists of Dargah, mosque, and a lot of very ancient things. And the tunnel which started from there to the Ladakh, in which the Anarkali and we stood. And then we visited to Taj Mahal, which seems to be very small in the pictures, but when I saw it first time, really it saw very huge and and then I realized that how it is be the wonder of one of the most famous wonder of the world. In last day we visited Mathura, in the Janmabhoomi of the birthplace of Krishna God and the Prem Mandir of Vrindavan. So these are the 6 golden days of my life. It is not about to spend these 6 golden days, but it is about how I got these 6 golden days. And these 6 golden days will never be unforgettable for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Aryan. And Priyanshu was also there. So now Priyanshu will share his experience regarding this trip. Priyanshu.
Good afternoon, all of you. Today I am Priyanshu Bhatt, and today I am gonna share my experience that I felt in this India tour that was conducted by Nandini Foundation, Rishikesh, from 6th of December to 12th of December. First of all, if I talk about the places that I visited, then first we go to Delhi and visited Qutub Minar, India Gate, Red Fort, then Akshardham Temple. Then we moved to Jaipur. We saw Amir Fort, Jal Mahal, Hawa Mahal, and also so many places. Then we moved to Agra and saw the historical building, the beautiful monument Buland Darwaja and Taj Mahal. Then we moved to Mathura to see the Janmabhoomi temple of Sri Krishna God. Then we moved to Vrindavan and to Baki Bihari Mandir and Prem Mandir. So these are all the places that we visited in these 7 days. The feeling, the environment of all the places, the different places are different. The feeling that in Vrindavan is pure of positivity. If we move to Buland Darwaja and Taj Mahal, there are feeling of historical things. If we move to Taj Mahal, that is so beautiful structure. If you look at the Taj Mahal, that is so beautiful. So and all the facilities that are provided by Nandini Foundation was also good. The room services are good. The food they provide us, that is also very good. At the end, I must say that these 7 days were one of the best 7 days of my life till now. And I also learned a lot of things, make so many friends. And the one thing that I learned is, if you are hardworking, then God have always golden opportunity for you. Just like me, I did hard work in 10th class, got good percentage, and God have golden opportunity for me to go to the tour. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anveshika Raturi. I am from 11th A. So recently we have been to an educational tour which was organized by the CM of Uttarakhand. We were sent to 5 northern states of India which included Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. So I am from Tireh district, so I was sent to Himachal Pradesh. Similarly, the students of Dehradun district were sent to Delhi, and the criteria of this educational tour was that one girl and one boy from each and every block of Uttarakhand has been selected for the educational tour in different states. So I have been to Himachal Pradesh. In the first morning we went to Solan, which is in Himachal Pradesh. We stayed there for one day, and after that we went to Shimla. There we went to AIIMS Bilaspur, and also after the next day we went to NIT Hamirpur and IIT Mandi. We even went to Mall Road of Shimla and bought some gifts for our families and friends also. And after that we went to Atal Tunnel, which connects Lahul Spiti and Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. Its length is 9.02 kilometer and its view was amazing. I was mesmerized by the beauty of Himachal Pradesh. I didn't even want to return to Rishikesh. The beauty of Himachal Pradesh was just fascinating. It was an educational tour which I will remember my whole life, and it was a fun moment to me also. Thank you.